What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Egld over here on the daily time frame. I'm going to zoom out quickly, look at the weekly. Did we close lower than the lowest point? No, not as of yet. We have made a lower low of the bodies, but I don't believe we've taken out that wick at the moment, and we're still above that lowest point, $37. However, we have been saying on the channel for a while we cannot lose $45, and unfortunately, not only did you do that on the daily time frame, which I was able to talk about last week and warn you and say that now we lost 45, any pump is into resistance. We're actually seeing that with our own eyes, that this is proven as a fact. Essentially, me telling you guys that now we lost 45, the pump into it is fake. Even though we were above 45, I remember telling you specifically, I don't buy this pump. I was telling you this on Bitcoin, on my Twitter, as well as the Bitcoin update where we did actually go down. It's so important for you guys to compare your own analysis to my Bitcoin updates. Bring that Bitcoin analysis to your alts, whether it's Elrond, whether it's, MULTIVERSX, Egld, or any other coins. You need to bring on over my Bitcoin TA and adapt it to your alt. So for example, Bitcoin, I know this is Egld, but this was the higher low and at $45, and for Bitcoin that was 18.6k, and I was constantly telling you guys, as long as Bitcoin's above 18.6k, Egld is bullish. If Bitcoin loses 18.6k, Egld is bearish. And unfortunately, that's what exactly happened. We did all the things right to go up, but unfortunately, one person has to go and ruin it for everyone. SBF, we hate him here on the channel. I'm so sorry if you're affected by him. We absolutely hate him. Disgusting man, creature, animal, whatever you want to call it. Not even he, it. But anyway, unfortunately, we lost the low, and so we need to adapt. Thank God we were always prepared. We were saying, if you lose this, it's not good, it's bearish. So that means we know in the short term we're not going up. And because we've seen a daily close below this, we know that any pump towards this area, and thank God I didn't just give you a specific line like most people. I gave you an area of $45 to $50. Why? Because we had so many touches over here that if I didn't actually have a box, you can see that does not look right. You have catching random support. So this is why we knew we had to drag this box up to $50. And even though that looked like it reclaimed 45, it looked bullish. I was always saying, no, this is just a pump into old support where you were having bounces upwards. Now we should have bounces downwards, because this is no longer support. This is no longer a green box. It's now resistance. We should just expect downwards continuation from here. And so it looks like that's what we're getting. We're having another go at trying to reclaim this box. But again, guys, we have a bearish cross that's now formed. You need to get above those EMAs. But not only that, where did the capitulation start? All the way up here at $64, $65. If we're not getting above that wick, this ain't bullish. If we are not getting above that, are we above it? No. Any pump should not reclaim it. Why? Because this was a dump. So the corrective move is up and then continuation. So we should really not be expecting further upside. We should really not be expecting $70 plus. We should be expecting downside. I'm going to give you the targets today. One is at $36. This is a new target because we were able to, once this peaked out, we can put the fibs from the low to the high, which I did last week with you guys before the weekly close. And we've got a target $36 down here. We can see that we're initially bouncing off the 1.272. Write that down in your notes. A lot of the time I'm seeing a bounce off the 1.272. You're going to see that very often. But if you're not reclaiming these key levels, then again, just expect continuation downwards. It could be an amazing long-term support here. You can bottom out at the 1.272. But I've just explained what you need to do to flip this bullish. You need to confirm this is support. You need to confirm this is support. You need to confirm the EMAs as support. Drag them over here, form a bullish cross. Not only that, then you need to attack that wick, because again, as long as we're not above that, this move up is just corrective. We continue down. You can get all the way up to there. You're still going down. You have to get above it, confirm its support, and that's only when you're getting up. So the whole way up there, if we do it, it's bearish the whole way up there essentially. So what I'm trying to get at, guys, is that it's not what should be happening. We made a lower low, we went lower than the higher low. I refrain from what I was saying because we actually haven't lost this yet, but we have lost the higher low. And I was telling you, if that is lost, we will be losing this low of $37, and we have a 1618 target down at 36. The only way that this bottom is kept, you need to do this process, and only then, only right up there, you're good. Until then, at any moment from here, it doesn't matter how high you go, at each point you're meant to go lower, essentially. Pardon me, guys, sorry. So now that we have lost 45, again, wait for this daily close, but another daily close below 45 is just a further signal we are expecting for downside. 36 as a target. We have a head and shoulders pattern that I've showed in the past. Shoulder, head, shoulder. That pattern's target is over here. I'll show you from the top back down to this neckline over here. Put it on the breakdown, and we have a target at $30. Same with this descending triangle over here. From the top back down to the $45 neckline right here, and then put that on the breakdown where we lost the support, and now you've validated this target to $20. We've always made you guys aware of these targets in the past. They were always there on the chart. However, again, as long as we were above 45, these should have never been in our thoughts. Only because what's happened with FTX due to SBF faffing around with everyone's funds. I hate that person, man. Anyway, because of all of that, this is why we're getting this downside. Without that, the bottom was in. I need you to understand that without this nonsense, the bottom was in. But unfortunately, we can't be deluded here in the crypto space like most the people on Twitter, the absolute maxis out here saying, oh, the bottom could be in, the bottom could be close, just DCA. That's all right in saying if we were holding the higher low, right? But we lost that higher low. So it's the wrong things to be saying. What we should be expecting is further targets to the downside. And each time we have a relief rally, it's just an expected fake rally. It's just an expected fake pump. Please get that in your head. Note that down if you will. Watch the video back if you have to. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's smash 50 likes. We should really be pushing for 100. But that's fine. We'll go for 50. Let's hit 5,000 subscribers as soon as we can. And if you want to take action on the course or the mentorship, there's a big F-off discount at the moment to help with everyone that is struggling with what's going on in the crypto space at the moment. There's multi-millionaires that have become bankrupt. So that's why I'm going to be helping as many people as possible. My course is 50% off and my mentorship is almost 50% off at the moment. Louis_crypto is the Twitter. You need to be following it anyway to be kept up to date with Bitcoin. You analyze my chart analysis. You bring that over to your alt. You analyze your alt. The charts are almost identical in the higher lows, in the structure. However, just the prices are different, guys. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, peace.